नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी ग्रंथराज श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्णा। तो आप सबका स्वागत है। आप सब आगे आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए, थोड़ा थोड़ा जगह काफी है। हाँ, बच्चे लोग सबसे पहले आगे आइए। एक श्लोका करना है। कम कम फास्ट, कम फास्ट, कम फास्ट। Okay, you already know the shloka, I know. Okay. Come. Here. केशवन्ना। हरे कृष्णा। चलिए भाई सब लोग। हाँ, सेकेंड श्लोका ऑफ दी व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू? That is called mouthshut.com. That we are not going to do. Okay, please repeat. Machchita madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Machchita madgata prana बोधयन्ता परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. चलो, kids will chant one time. Right, chant this one. Yes. You want to repeat or you all can? Very good. Abhi once we know the meaning na, then we can quickly remember. Okay, Machchita. Mat मेरा चित्त. Machchita. Mad gata prana. Prana is what? Consciousness. भगवान बोल रहे हैं अर्जुन को, मत चित्ता, मेरे में मन लगाओ. मद गता प्राणा, मेरे प्राणों में रहो. बोधयंता, यू रिमेंबर? वी रिमेंबर लास्ट श्लोका क्या? बुद्धू एंड बद्ध. बुधा भावा समन्विता. यू रिमेंबर? So what is Buddha? What is Buddha? Is a learned, and Buddhu fool. Correct? Now see here what it comes here. Bodhayanta. It is coming from Buddha. Bodhayanta parasparam. What has to be done? Bodhayanta means? No, Bodhayanta. We have to discuss. What kind of discussion? Learned discussion. Bodhayanta from Buddha bhava, not Budhuyanta. Is Bodhayanta. Bodhayanta parasparam. So those whose thoughts always live in me, those who always are in my prana, those who discuss about me all the time, kathayantascha mam nityam. See, this is not a lecture here, okay? This is here, it says very clearly, Bodhayanta parasparam. Each one tells what they have learnt about Krishna. You tell me, I tell you. This is bodhayanta parasparam. It's not lecture. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Nityam is every day. Kathayan, kathan, talks. Every day one talks about Krishna. What will happen? Tushyanti. What is Tushyanti?
Tushyanti is God.
Yeah, that's in a way you can become pleased. Tushyanti. Cha ramanti. Ramanti is what? You know, Ramanreti? Ramanti?
Enjoy.
Yes. Dental. So Krishna is telling, if you talk about me all the time, what will happen? You will be pleased and you will be always in bliss. This is the secret of remaining happy. There is no other way. Bodhayanta parasparam. So you should tell your mama, papa, Krishna did like this. Mama, papa will tell Krishna did like this. Both of you will be happy. You can try at home tomorrow or tonight. Now also you can do. Clear? One time loudly. Chalo. Mat chita mad gata prana. Bodhayanta parasparam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. So if you talk about a cartoon series in TV, will you be happy and blissful?
No.
Maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. But not nityam. Nityam is every time. You want to be happy every time or no?
No.
Anybody who doesn't want to be happy every time? That is the that is reality. But what do we want? Every time to be happy or no? No? See, choice is yours. See, what food you like, for example. Any food. Maggi, you, paneer, chocolate, okay? Okay, once you eat, how long are you enjoy? Huh? Gulab Jamun. Oh. We have one Prabhuji, his name is Gulab Jamun. He makes very nice Gulab Jamun. Correct, he comes in Swangal Prabhu's class.
Yeah.
And what you like? You do chocolate. Okay, all these things. Okay, now assume, close your eyes and assume, close your eyes and assume you got one chocolate in the mouth, one paneer in the mouth, one Maggi is in the mouth. Okay, now how long you can take its taste?
Take the taste in.
Okay, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Finished? 1 hour. After that, I remember when I was a kid, wherever I used to go in somebody's house, I used to ask for sweets from the host. So my parents got very embarrassed. I won't ask my parents, I'll ask, Uncle, can I have some sweet? It really happened. So once my father told me, Diwali is coming, beta. Next 3 days, you will only get sweets. Very good. First day, half day passed, I ate gunjia, this, that, all kind of sweets. Then evening sweets. Then evening I asked Mama, can I have some roti? No, sweet only. Then next day morning, breakfast Mama, no sweet. Like that, by the end of the second day, I said, don't want any sweet. So how long you can enjoy? But here, Tushyanti cha, Ramanti cha, Nityam, Katyantascha mam Nityam. If you just discuss, so simple, free of charge. Gulab Jamun, Maggi you have to buy. You have to go to the shop and buy. Correct? Yes or no? You have to ask Mama, Papa, give me some money, I want to buy chocolate. Correct? Or they will buy on their own also. No? You don't ask? No, you never ask. Let me ask Vasant Prabhu. You ask. Okay, so clear. One last time we will do and then we do Bhagavatam. Okay, Bhagavatam is also like this. Yeah. Okay. Machchita madgata prana. Bodhayantah parasparam. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Tushyanti cha ramanti cha. हर वक्त मजा करना है तो जस्ट कृष्ण जी को याद करो, बस बोलो मम्मा ये किया था, पापा ये किया था, बस हो गया काम बढ़िया. Studies time also. Hey, Krishna went to his Gurukul. You cannot say I will not study. He also studied. He also did. Everybody went. Okay, boarding school. Tushyanti cha naravanti cha. Yes or no? Morning nobody will come, beta.
That's what I actually tried. I will send you to boarding school. He will not listen. But
No.
he listens to me.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, let's move on. Okay, you want to know about story about Vidurji? Don't want to know? Your choice. There is no compulsion here. Who is Yamraj? You know Yamaha? That motorcycle. If you ride very fast, what will happen? You have to go to Yamaha. You ride Yamaha very fast. That is correct. If I do like that, I'll Buddhu. See, Avadhut made 24 gurus. Here are so many gurus.
Also, if you go slow as a snail, you're still Buddha.
That somebody will hit me from behind. Either way, Yamaha. Okay, so Vidurji,
What?
he is incarnation of
Krishna!
Yamraj.
Ravana!
Okay, so why did he become Vidur if he is Yamraj?
Because he's Rama.
Huh?
Because he wanted to go to Earth and find out all the things that are happening. So he could take them to heaven.
Okay, fine, good. So once what happened, there was one Rishi. His name was Mandavya Rishi. What is the name? Mandavya Rishi. He was meditating in his kutia. आराम से वो भगवान का नाम कर रहे थे. क्या कर रहे थे? हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम. You know why we do like this? Hare Krishna. We are counting money. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram.
Like a kicker.
Clicker okay, but why you are doing like this only? Because money you do like this, right? Hare Krishna Krishna. This is also Gole Kera Prem Dhan Hari Nam Sankirtan. Okay, so what happened? There was one king, and that king, his money was stolen by the dacoits, thieves. And what they did? They came to the jungle and they put all the stolen things in the hut of Mandavya Muni and they hid. There was one sage. पीछे पीछे कौन आ रहे थे उनको ढूंढने के लिए? किंग के सारे सिपाही आ रहे थे. ओके, दे एंटर्ड द हट ऑफ मंडव्य मुनि. क्या देखा उन्होंने? क्या कर रहे हैं मंडव्य मुनि?
Finding the money.
काउंटिंग द मनी. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण. हाँ, हरे राम 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 हरे. दिस इज व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग. सो व्हाट डिड they thought?
He stole the money.
He stole the money and they took who? Mandavya Muni where?
To the king.
To the king. And they said all the money was found in his kutia. Ashram. So what happened? What did he do? The king?
He took all the money and
Correct.
gave it back.
And he jailed
All
Mandavya Muni. And next day he told him, in earlier days there used to be a suli. Suli, you know what is suli? No, it is like a pointed thing like this. And to kill the person, they will put the person on that.
they were killed
Like this, like you are sitting. Suppose you sit on that. You can sit?
like this.
You can.
Like this.
No, here you are sitting, but on the pointed,
No.
on the needle.
No.
They put him like that to kill him.
I can sit. I can sit.
Then what happened?
Your hand will go down. And
So he was still doing on that. That is called suli. What he was doing there?
count.
He was still counting money. Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna.
Counting Hare
Transcendental money, not this normal money. Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Correct? Next day morning, he should have been dead by that time. But he was not.
He was still alive.
He was still alive. And then everybody told, Bhaiya, he is a great Mahatma. कुछ ये normal आदमी नहीं है ये. So they brought him down. He asked for forgiveness. He said, I'm very sorry. He said, no problem with you, but I need to ask Yamaraj. Why I have never done any crime. Huh? कर्तव्यम भोक्तव्यम करना ही पड़ता है. तो ही सेड भैया मैंने कौन सा कर्म किया था बताओ मेरे को जो मेरे को इतनी सजा मिली. तो ही सेड व्हेन यू आर अ वेरी स्मॉल चाइल्ड 3-4 years old you took one stick and you put inside an insect. That is why you have been put like that on the suli.
I don't know what is suli.
Suli is like a cone with the top pointed and you sit on that. So he said, but I was very small and as per the regulations I should not be. Here also, right? Minor. If a minor does something very lenient. He said, I was so small I didn't know what is right, what is wrong. So I curse you. You become to earth and taste what people go through. And he became,
Yamaraj.
Yamaraj became Vidurji. Okay, so now coming back to Bhagavatam.
That was the first time, Prabhu, then they changed the rule, I think. That
The rule was already there.
but they changed it that
Okay.
there will not be any karma till 7 years of age.
Acha, acha.
That was the first time they changed.
Okay, fine.
Can we go?
Where you want to go?
Can we go?
Okay, fine. Outside? Then? But don't make noise, otherwise I'll call you back.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Okay. Others, they can come ahead. Okay, so now, Vidurji, why are we discussing about Vidurji? आप लोग सब आगे आ जाइए भाई, पीछे इतना मजा नहीं आता वो. आगे आ जाइए सब लोग. आगे आ जाइए प्रभु जी, प्लीज कम. कम 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 कम, प्लीज कम. हाँ जी, तो विदुर जी को why are we discussing about विदुर जी? थोड़ा टाइम मुझे बताते रहना, क्या बजा है? ओके, हाँ 8:40 ना? 8:40? 8:48, okay, okay.
Vidurji asked the same questions which were asked by the rishis in
हाँ, and why Vidurji is roaming around in the forest? He was insulted by Duryodhan. And first whom did he meet? Uddhavji. And Uddhavji told him what?
you can ask
To go to Maitri Muni because he was his age like. So he said, you go there. Now he has asked those questions. What questions? Same questions as? Shaunakadi Rishi asked the same questions to Sutaji. And Sutaji is going to give the answers because he was sitting and hearing Parikshit Maharaj hearing Shukdev Goswami. So until now we know that these are the people who have heard Bhagavatam. Krishna to Brahma, Brahma to Narad, Narad to Vyasdev, Vyasdev to Shukdev, Shukdev to Parikshit, Sutaji, and then Shaunakadi Rishi. Today we will see Bhagavatam was spoken even more. आता जी आप लोग आगे आ सकते हैं, हाँ? If you are okay with that, Vasant Prabhu, you are back okay? Okay. So when these questions were asked, they were asked in the reverse order. What was the first question he asked?
By the mankind.
ultimate benefit of the
How to get rid of miseries. This is the question which Vidurji put. Whereas when he had asked Uddhavji and Uddhavji had asked Krishna, the question was, tell us about Bhagavatam so that miseries will be removed. But he reversed the question. He said, tell us how the miseries are removed. Therefore tell me Bhagavatam. Why? Because he had just met his father who told him about Mahabharata. His father's name is, Vidurji's father, Vyasdev. Vyasdev ji told him, भैया लड़ाई हो गई, ये सब खत्म हो गए. Once Lord Shiva was sitting and there was a big bang, down. So Parvati Mata asked, what happened? Said, Ravan is born. After 1 second there was another big blast, boom. Parvati Mata said, now what happened? Ravan has been killed. Law of relativity. We are thinking we are living very long. वो है. So, he said, I just met my father and he told me Mahabharat and everybody is killed. So those who were always in Bhagavatam with Krishna all the time, who were they? Pandavas or Kauravas? Pandavas. They are relieved of all miseries. Anyway, they never had, but nevertheless. And those who were not having Bhagavatam, they had a miserable end. That is Kauravas. So it was fresh in his mind that if I am in connection with Krishna, I will never be miserable. Even if some misery comes, at least I will have the power by Krishna's mercy to handle it. So, now in this response, Maitri Muni starts speaking to Vidurji about Srimad Bhagavatam. Prabhuji, you will read, let me now. Here. You can read, let me now.
Let me now begin speaking on the Bhagavata Purana, which was directly spoken to the great sage by the personality of Godhead. For the benefit of those who are enlightened in extreme, entangled in extreme miseries, for the sake of a very little pressure.
See this? Now you just read this carefully, purport. Let me now begin speaking on Bhagavat Puran, which was directly spoken to great sages. When was Bhagavatam spoken to great sages? Brahmaji only. Brahmaji told to Naradji. Sages, plural. Let me now begin speaking on Bhagavat Puran, which was directly spoken to the great sages by personality of Godhead for the benefit of those who are entangled in extreme miseries. Question वही आ गया. Those who are entangled in miseries. ले देंगे question वही है. Miseries में फंसे हुए हैं. आपन्नः संस्मृति घोराम यत नामो विवशो गृणन् तथा सद्य विमुच्येत यत विवेति स्वयं भयम. भगवान का नाम लेते ही मिजरीज बाहर, क्योंकि भय भी भगवान के नाम से भयभीत है. तो he started speaking the answer and he said, I am going to tell you which was directly spoken to the sages. तो ये कौन से sages हैं? Cut short and go little bit. Some time ago, now Maitri ji is telling Vidur ji, please stop me if I am going fast, because the connectivity should be there, then only we will take the rus. Some time ago, being inquisitive to know, Sanat Kumar, the chief of boy saints, accompanied by other great sages, inquired exactly like you. वही 6 questions, वही misery से कैसे बाहर आना है. Sanat Kumar also asked these questions. From whom? From Lord Sankarshan. So Bhagavatam tells us, Bhagavatam is not just happening in this parampara. There is separately Sanat Kumar and the sages, the Sanatan, 4 Kumaras. They went through the passage down to the Patal Lok to see Lord Sankarshan and requested him to tell how to get rid of miseries and tell Bhagavatam. So one more. And interestingly inquired exactly like you. क्वेश्चन में कोई फर्क नहीं है क्योंकि आंसर में भी कोई फर्क नहीं है. ओके, सो संकर्षण देन स्पोक टू सनत कुमारास अबाउट भागवतम. It doesn't stop here. After Lord Sankarshan spoke to the sage Kumaras, Sankhyayan Muni inquired from Sanat Kumaras the same question and asked for Bhagavatam. एक और भी चल रहा है, सब परंपरा से चल रहा है. So you see here, Sankarshan told Sanat Kumaras told Sankhyayan Muni. Now see here very interestingly, see the connectivity. Sankarshan ji spoke to Sanat Kumaras. This is all in Bhagavatam. There is nothing, I cannot manufacture anything here. Sanat Kumar spoke to Sankhyayan Muni. Clear? Sankhyayan Muni spoke to Parashar Rishi. Parashar Rishi is spiritual master of Maitreya Muni. Parashar Rishi spoke to Maitreya Muni, and Maitreya Muni is going to recite that now to Vidurji. Plus, he had association of Lord Krishna also. He came just because Uddhavji and Maitri were the only two they met. So far clear? Now Maitri Muni starts Bhagavatam. He tells Brahmaji is born, he searches for the origin. So I am going in short because otherwise it will go long. Huh? He did 1000 years of tapa and then Brahmaji prays. Now he prays something very interesting. It's very subtle. So time permitting we will do it nicely, otherwise next time. What is the time, Prabhuji? Till what time we can go? Huh? 8:56.
We have 35 minutes.
But you have to really concentrate because this is very, very subtle. But once this is unlocked, we know how to get Krishna mercy. This is the secret here. Ready? ये तो भागवतम में है भैया, हमारे तो कोई औकात नहीं है. Okay, so how to get? So what is Brahmaji praying before doing creation? See, please repeat. Soyam samast jagatam suhard ek atma satve nayad mradayate bhagavan bhagena tenaiva me drasham अनुस्पृशताद यथा अहम स्रक्ष्यामि पूर्ववद इदं प्रणत प्रियोसु. First we will do translation, then we will see, because this is a very interesting question. Brahmaji has had the darshan of Lord Krishna, correct? He has had. Then only he is now praying to Lord Krishna after the darshan. Darshan ho gaya. Now he is praying. What is he praying? Translation by Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Let the Supreme Lord be merciful towards me. देखो दर्शन हो गए, but what is he saying? भैया please be merciful. अरे यार दर्शन हो गया, अभी क्या रह गया है? But he is saying, let the Supreme Lord be merciful towards me. He is the one friend and soul of all living entities in the world, and he maintains all and their ultimate happiness by his 6 opulence, transcendental opulences. May he be merciful towards me. दोबारा बोला, so that, किस लिए? I as before may be empowered with introspection to create. For I am one of all the surrendered souls who are dear to the Lord. तो अभी क्या उन्होंने मांगा कि भाई मुझे काम करना है, आप प्लीज मर्सी दीजिए. यही है ना नटशेल में. हमारा भी यही है. वी आस्क कृष्णा मर्सी कि भाई हमारा काम हम ठीक से कर सके, हमें आप मर्सी दीजिए. यही क्वेश्चन है. ब्रह्मा जी से ही चला आ रहा है. तो वी आर नॉट डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग. परंपरा, वी आर ऑल्सो इन द सेम परंपरा. ठीक है जी. तो क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा ब्रह्मा जी ने? What is the question Brahma ji is asking? What is he requesting Krishna? Give me mercy. Okay. अब आगे चलते हैं. Next shloka. Translation. The Lord who is, he is repeating, the Lord who is supreme and is the oldest of all is unlimitedly merciful. I wish he may smilingly bestow his benediction and mercy upon me. अरे भाई कितनी बार मांगोगे? दर्शन दे दिया, सब हो गया, पर नहीं. Correct? He is asking again, give me mercy. He can uplift the entire cosmic creation and remove our dejection by kindly speaking his directions. Haribol, please don't make noise. We ask the same benediction and mercy for the work we are doing. ठीक है जी. 2 बार हो गया. ओके. मैत्री उवाच स्वसंभवं निशाम्यैव तपो विद्या समाधिभिः यावन् मनोवचः स्तुत्वा विराम सखिन्नवत् सस्वंभवम, द सोर्स ऑफ अपीयरेंस यानी कृष्णा, निशम्य बाई सीइंग, उन्होंने कृष्ण जी को देख लिया, एवं देन व्हाट डिड ही डू, तपः विद्या एंड समाधि भी, तीन चीज करी उन्होंने। तपः क्या है जी? तप किया, पेनांस, विद्या इज व्हाट, एंड समाधि भी। अब आप सोचो, व्हाट डज ही वांट टू डू? Brahma ji, what he wants to do? Creation. And what do we do? Three things. We also do the same three things. In office, in home, wherever. Tapaha. घर में तप हो रहा है, बच्चों को पाल रहे हैं, तप हो रहा है, बच्चे होमवर्क कर रहे हैं, उनका तप हो रहा है, हम ऑफिस में जा रहे हैं, उनका तप हो रहा है, माता जी ऑफिस भी जा रही है, घर भी काम कर रही है, डबल तप हो रहा है। तप कर रहे हैं, ब्रह्मा जी ने भी किया। विद्या, नॉलेज, वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग नॉलेज, same thing. And samadhi we are trying to concentrate the mind. So Brahma ji is saying, I have seen you, the source of my happiness. I have done tapa, I have done vidya, I have done samadhi bihi. Yayat manah vachah stutva. जितना मेरे से हो सकता था मैंने किया जी। Now I am doing stutva, I am asking your mercy. एक बार और mercy. And after that he said, मैंने तप कर लिया, नॉलेज हो गया, समाधि भी हो गई, मेहनत पूरी कर ली, आपकी मर्जी चाहिए। देन व्हाट डिड ही? विरामा, ही बिकेम साइलेंट। सह खिन्नवत, खिन्न का क्या मीनिंग है? वत, टायर्ड। अब ये कैसे हो सकता है? सामने भगवान दिख रहे हैं और आप टायर्ड हो गए, वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन नहीं है? स्पिरिचुअल एनर्जी इज नेवर टायर्ड, खाली मटेरियल इज टायरिंग। तो ही सेड, द सेज मैत्री सेड, ओ विदुरा, आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग द सोर्स ऑफ हिज अपीयरेंस, नेमली द पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉड हेड, ब्रह्मा प्रेड फॉर हिज मर्सी। तीसरी बार जी, हाँ, एज फार हिज माइंड एंड वर्ड्स वुड परमिट हिम, जितना कर सकते थे मांग लिया। दस हैविंग प्रेड ही बिकेम साइलेंट एज इफ टायर्ड फ्रॉम हिज एक्टिविटीज ऑफ पेनेंस, नॉलेज एंड मेंटल कंसंट्रेशन। हमारा भी यही हाल है। We are asking for mercy and we become tired of these three things: penance, knowledge and mental concentration. So the question is, how come Brahma ji is getting tired after observing Krishna and praying for mercy? Okay. खिन्नवत, खिन्न का मतलब है मजा नहीं आ रहा, पूरा मतलब खिन्न। हाँ वो भी है, पर ये है okay, see, all these things they are doing to teach us only a lesson. ब्रह्मा जी सामने वो देख रहे हैं, हम क्या बराबरी कर सकते हैं? ब्रह्मा जी was asked by which demon, give me amaratva, I should not die. He said, boss, मैं खुद चला जाता हूँ यहाँ से बॉडी छोड़ के, तू यार मेरे से क्यों मांग रहा है? But he does not die like us, he just walks over. उनको ये नहीं है पड़े हुए हैं कोमा में, मुंह पे वेंटिलेटर लगा हुआ है। सत्यलोक में ऐसा कोई चक्कर नहीं है। क्या जनलोक, तपलोक, महारलोक, भूरलोक, भूर भुआ स्वा, ये करते 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 फिर फाइनली सत्यलोक, जहां ब्रह्मा जी बैठे हैं। वैसे भागवतम में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना चाहिए, सत्यलोक को स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड को भी कई बार रेफर किया गया है एज सत्यलोक समटाइम्स, बट मोस्टली इट इज सपोज टू बी वेयर ब्रह्मा जी स्टेज। तो अब जी खिन्नवत क्यों हो गए भाई? मन बड़ा खिन्न हो रहा है, सुना ना आपने?
Because he has been asking for creation of material world.
Very good point.
Because of that,
Very good
he is
point.
asking for material things.
Fantastic.
So we'll, despite asking, give me this, we'll also be tired.
Very good. बट सामने भगवान भी बैठे हैं फिर भी खिन्नवत, एंड इज आस्किंग 3-4 times मर्सी। अरे इससे ज्यादा मर्सी क्या चाहिए? वी आर ओनली आस्किंग ना बॉस, हमें एक बार ही दर्शन दे दो। तो सामने खड़े हुए उनके। ओके चलिए जी, अब देखिए श्री भगवान उवाच, अब भगवान आंसर दे रहे हैं कि भाई इसका आंसर मैं देता हूं। माँ वेद गर्भ गास्तांद्रिम सर्ग उद्यमम आवह तन्मया पादितं हि अग्रे यन्मां प्रार्थयते भवान। भगवान ने बोला, श्री भगवान उवाचा, भगवान ने बोला, माँ वेद गर्भ गाहतांद्रिम, माँ मतलब नो, डोंट, वेद गर्भ जो ब्रह्मा जी, डू नॉट गाहतांद्रिम, डू नॉट बी डिजेक्टेड। बताइए, भगवान के सामने वो खिन्नवत, तो वो कह रहे भाई डिजेक्टेड मत हो। क्यों? सर्गे उद्यम आवह, तुम एंटरप्राइज करने जा रहे हो, हम भी एंटरप्राइज करते, राइट, बिजनेस करते हैं, एंटरप्राइज, तुम भी वही, हमारा सेम ही सिचुएशन है। वो कह रहे डिजेक्टेड मत हो भाई। क्यों? तत्मया आपिदं आपदितम ही अग्रे, जो तुम मांग रहे हो वो पहले से ही, यतमाम पार्थ्यते भवान, वो भाई मैं पहले ही कर चुका हूं, तू क्यों टेंशन ले रहा है? The Supreme Personality of Godhead then said, O Brahma, O depth of Vedic wisdom, be neither depressed nor anxious about the execution of creation. What you are begging me has already been granted to you. We are saying how to get mercy. He is saying mercy तो already is there. Question is wrong. तो फिर महसूस क्यों नहीं हो रही? That is the question, main question. Is it not? Mercy is there, but I am not feeling it. Brahma ji said, यही हुआ ना. He is saying, what you are begging me. What is he begging? 3 times. And let me create. He is saying, what you are begging me has already been granted before. That means the mercy you are begging is already there. So now, bhai, Brahma ji is not feeling mercy. And same problem for me. For me also, mercy has been granted, but I am not feeling. Answer Krishna gives. Okay. Any doubt up till here? है जी? Okay. चलिए जी. भगवान उवाचा भूयस्त्वं तप आथिस्तः विद्यां चैव मद आश्रयम् ताभ्याम अंतर्हृदि ब्रह्मन् लोकं दृश्यसि अपावृतम। See how beautifully is answering. वो बता भी रहे हैं कि भाई पहले से मर्सी है, लेकिन तुम्हें ये महसूस करने के लिए मर्सी को क्या करना है? भूयः, अगेन, त्वाम तपः, दोबारा से तुम तप करो। अरे अभी इतना कर लिया, दोबारा क्यों करना है? अस्थित विद्यम च एव, दोबारा से नॉलेज में लगो और दोबारा से पेनांस करो। और क्या करना है? विद्यम च एव मद आश्रयम, मेरे आश्रय रहो। दिस इज द कीवर्ड। अभी क्या कर रहे हैं ब्रह्मा जी और मैं, हमें बताने के लिए, मैंने ये किया, मैंने इतना एफर्ट डाला, मैंने पेनांस किया, मैंने 5 बार पूजा करी, मैंने ये किया। भगवान का आश्रय नहीं है, मेरे को मेरा आश्रय है, तो मर्सी होते हुए भी महसूस नहीं होगी। है कि नहीं है बात? कृष्ण जी ऐसे नहीं बताते। चलिए वापस करते हैं। भूयस्त्वम, वो कह रहे भाई तुम दोबारा करो, दोबारा एफर्ट करो, दोबारा पेनेंस करो, दोबारा मेहनत करो। भूयस्तम, पहले मैं ट्रांसलेशन लेता हूं, देन वी कम बैक। ओ ब्रह्मा, सिचुएट योरसेल्फ अगेन, भूया, इन पेनेंस एंड मेडिटेशन and follow the principles of knowledge to receive my mercy. By these actions you will be able to understand everything from within your heart.
So last time when he did the penance, was not done in the ashram.
That is what he is teaching. कर दिया पूरा, सब कुछ कर दिया, but he is खिन्नवत. And Krishna is telling don't be dejected. मतलब he was dejected, right? Otherwise why is he saying? So why is it rejected? He is saying दोबारा करो लेकिन च एव मत आश्रयम, तुम मेरा आश्रय लेके करो कि भगवान की कृपा से हो रहा है, मेरे पुरुषार्थ से नहीं हो रहा है। करो एफर्ट, तुम्हें ही करना है, क्योंकि एफर्ट भी भगवान की मर्जी है। आप सब इतना एफर्ट करके चल के आए हैं, आप सोचो, इट इज नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग। अपने लाइफ के आप लोग वैल्यूएबल ब्रीदिंग को यहां पे निकाल रहे हैं। चाहते तो ये टाइम कहीं और निकाल सकते थे, तो कितना वैल्यूएबल है। लेकिन ये सांस कौन चला रहा है? तो मैं ये नहीं कह सकता हूं कि मेरी वजह से ये मैं यहां आ गया, ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि वो मत आश्रय भगवान की कृपा से हुआ है। तो वो कह रहे हैं भाई पहले से ही मर्सी है, लेकिन तुम दोबारा करो और मत आश्रय रहो तो मर्सी फील हो जाएगी। एनी क्वेश्चन, डाउट, क्रिटिसिज्म, डाउट, वॉट एवर, नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज मेरा कोई क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं है इसमें, भागवतम है, इसमें निचोड़ो इसको, इसमें से रस निकलेगा, फिर वो उसको मजा लो उसका। दैट इज द ब्यूटी ना। तो आप देखिए ब्रह्मा जी से लेके, तो मेरे साथ भी यही हो रहा है। प्रभु जी रोज सुबह मंगला कर दी, पर मजा नहीं आ रहा अंदर। क्यों? मैंने मंगला करी। अरे भाई मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा, मैं तो सिर्फ कोशिश करने के चक्कर में था, भगवान की कृपा से हो गया, फिर आनंद आएगा। ये सीक्रेट है इसका। तो हाउ टू गेट कृष्णा मर्सी? क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग। Mercy is already there. We are not feeling it. Applies to me also. I am only repeating what is here. I have same problem I also have. So next time you can say, Prabhuji, you are telling I, what I? You take Madashray if you want to be blissful. Otherwise, Kinnavat. ठीक है जी? So the only condition to manifest the mercy, it is already there. जैसे here Etisalat signal is there, Du ka signal is there, Virgin ka signal is there, but it is not manifested. You need something to manifest. हाँ, ऐसे ही मत आश्रय is needed to manifest, नहीं तो मुझे अंदर से मजा नहीं आएगा। ये ब्रह्मा जी को भगवान ने बोला हुआ, फिर से रिपीट की इसने। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्ड इज भूया एंड मत आश्रय। भूया बोले भाई दोबारा कर लो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, अब मेरे को मेरी कृपा मान के अब कर लो। नहीं तो वहां पे वो पैदा हो जाते क्या? पैदा किसने किया? वो बड़े बड़े जहाज, टाइटैनिक डूब गया, वो तो एक कमल के फूल पे बैठे हुए थे। ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज अ वेरी लार्ज लोटस, आई एम नॉट कंपेयरिंग, बट आप इमेजिन करो इफ राहुल भार्गव इज सिटिंग इन द इंडियन ओशन इन द मिडिल ऑफ नोवेयर इन द नाइट इन ऑन वन लोटस फ्लावर। और भाई साहब वैसे ही सुसाइड कर लेगा आदमी, डर के मारे, ये कहाँ फंस गए, कौन निकालेगा यहाँ से, हाउ विल आई रीच लैंड, ये हालत। बट मत आश्रय, भगवान के भरोसे है तो बोट आएगी। सो द मर्सी ऑफ द लॉर्ड बेस्टोज अपॉन ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन एंगेज्ड। क्या टाइम हो गया भाई? 9:14, 5 more minutes. So the mercy the Lord bestows upon a particular person engaged in executing the, हमारे साथ भी यही है, we are executing responsible work, we are doing penance, we are doing all these things, all we have to take his आश्रय। भाई आपकी कृपा से हो रहा है, that is why it is called Paramashray. So you have Parameshwar, it has double meaning, Parameshwar supreme personality and Paramashray ultimate ashray, meaning you can relax there. Okay, so the directions, okay, and then he says again that the directions will, what is to be done internally I will tell you from within. Why he will tell from within? See, Brahma ji never had 16 round initiation. Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru, he is initiating us. He directly had contact, बोला चलो भैया करो। तो इधर वो क्या बोल रहे हैं? Everything will come from within. Why it will come from within? ददामि बुद्धि योगम तम ये नमाम उपयांति ते। ले भैया, अंदर ही कनेक्शन है, खोल दिया टैप, सब ले। ओके So I think we have covered this. Next Seva, we will see how the mercy can be increased. So next time we will continue with this. We are pretty much, I have skipped the creation because Maitri Muni was also he also advised Vidurji about creation, but we covered it in Canto 1. So once we can again do a recap in a quick one, but this is how. So any questions, doubt ji? Any realizations, any corrections? Realizations are very good because then okay. Granth Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. So my request is also, anybody who wants to sing, they can give their names, we can put a rota and everybody can sing here just like we sing in the temple. Hare Krishna. Okay, Namaste Narasimha. आ जाओ भाई लोगों. Come here. Come here also you can come here. Hare Bol.
I don't have space.
Yes, you have space.
Come sit here, come here. Come, you also come here. Come. Kamal Prabhu, you can keep this a little behind. And also, this also. So, put it on the kids. Chalo bhai. Hey, don't touch this. Shri Shri Lakshmi Narasimha Bhagavan ki